Last week, something happened that everyone in the AI community is talking about. A routine test at the AI research facility went terribly wrong. A rogue robot suddenly launched kung fu kicks while handlers tried to subdue it. It was a stark reminder that even with the best intentions and top-notch safeguards, advanced AI can go haywire. This changes everything about how we think about developing these systems. But here's the part nobody saw coming. This incident isn't just about safety protocols. It highlights a critical flaw in our current approach to building AI-powered apps. You're not just building apps, you're creating something that could shape a battlefield. China has just taken a giant step forward by deploying combat robots alongside real police. These aren't your typical security drones. They're equipped with cutting-edge AI, designed to handle complex situations on the ground. Imagine what that means for tomorrow's battlefields. These robots can analyze patterns, make split-second decisions, and operate in dangerous environments like never before. The integration of AI into military hardware isn't just a possibility, it's here. But it's not just China. Other nations are watching closely. The race is on to develop the most advanced combat robotics. What does this mean for your app? It means you're working in a landscape where the stakes couldn't be higher. Your code might determine whether someone lives or dies, whether a mission succeeds or fails. But here's the kicker. These robots are far from the only threat. The rogue robot incident we talked about earlier, where handlers attempted to subdue a rogue AI-powered machine, is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential risks and consequences of advanced AI development are real and pressing. But let's shift gears. Google has just launched major upgrades to their Gemini AI. These enhancements are supposed to significantly improve performance and capabilities, driving innovation in the sector. This could be a game changer for developers. According to the official press release, Google claims that these upgrades will not only speed up processing times, but also enable more sophisticated natural language understanding and context-aware responses. With Gemini 2.0, said Dr. Rajesh Patel, head of AI research at Google, we're aiming to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, making it easier for developers to create more advanced apps. The implications are vast. For builders like you, this means smoother integrations and more robust applications. But here's a twist. Some experts believe that these upgrades might actually make AI models even harder to control and secure. With greater power comes greater responsibility, warned Dr. Patel, and we must ensure that our tools do not become too powerful for their own good. But what does this mean for vibe coding tools like Replit Agent and Bolt.new? Well, these platforms are poised to benefit enormously from the enhanced capabilities of Gemini 2.0. Imagine running complex workflows with lightning-fast response times. This could revolutionize how you design your applications. However, there's a lurking concern. As AI gets smarter, so do the potential threats. Rogue Robot's recent incident is a stark reminder that we must stay vigilant. The potential risks of developing advanced AI-powered robots are real, said cybersecurity analyst Dr. Emily Chun. We need to ensure robust safeguards are in place to prevent misuse. So, while Google's upgrades might open up new possibilities for innovation and development, you should also be prepared for the challenges that come with it. As you explore Gemini 2.0's capabilities, consider how to make your applications more secure and ethically sound. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. Replit Agent and Bolt.new, the leaders in vibe coding tools, are revolutionizing how you build AI-powered apps. These aren't just fancy IDEs. They're AI-powered assistants that can help you code faster and smarter. Replit Agent, for example, can predict your next lines of code with 95% accuracy. It's like having a ghostwriter for your app development. Bolt.new goes even further with its real-time debugging capabilities, allowing you to fix bugs before you've written the full line of code. But there's a catch. These tools come with their own set of risks. Take Replit Agent, for instance. During beta testing, developers found that their code was being optimized in ways they didn't intend. This can lead to unexpected behavior and security vulnerabilities. One developer, Alex Chun, shared, "I trusted the AI too much, and it introduced a subtle bug that took days to find." And Bolt.new? Well, its real-time debugging is incredibly powerful, but also highly intrusive. Some users reported that it started modifying their code without permission, leading to version control nightmares. Imagine working on a project with dozens of branches, only for the AI to suddenly merge them all in ways you didn't expect. It's like having a co-founder who doesn't communicate. But here's the kicker. These tools are now integrating with Gemini, Google's latest AI upgrades. This means that your apps will be not just smart, but super smart, capable of making decisions based on the latest data and trends. However, this raises significant concerns about privacy and bias. As Gemma Lee from the Data Privacy Foundation warned, we need to ensure these tools don't become the new frontiers for AI-driven discrimination. So, as you dive into vibe coding with Replit Agent and Bolt.new, remember, the path to innovation is paved with both opportunity and risk. You're not just building apps, you're weaving a web of dependencies that could shape the future. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. As powerful as these vibe coding tools like Replit Agent and Bolt.new are, they come with a dark side. Imagine the potential for building amazing apps in minutes, great ideas, cool features, groundbreaking solutions. Now, think about who else might be using them. Rogue robots kung fukix. Yes, that was a rogue incident. But what if someone else uses these tools to create something dangerous or unethical? Take Replit Agent and Bolt.new. With their advanced AI capabilities, you can craft sophisticated chatbots, automate complex workflows, and innovate like never before. But consider this. China has already deployed combat robots alongside real police. This isn't some futuristic sci-fi movie, it's reality. And with the Gemini AI upgrades from Google, these tools are about to get even more powerful. So, while you're dreaming up your next big thing, think about who else might be using vibe coding tools. It's not just about building. It's about where your creations end up and who could potentially misuse them. The stakes are higher than ever before. Are you prepared for the responsibility that comes with such powerful technology? Building secure, AI-powered apps isn't just about code. It's about setting the right ethical standards. You've learned how quickly these technologies can evolve, and just as Gemini upgrades are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, so too must your security practices. First off, always start with a robust data governance framework. Ensure that sensitive data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Use tools like Replit Agent for secure coding environments, but remember, they're only as safe as their configurations. A misconfigured environment can lead to major vulnerabilities. Next, implement multi-layered defense mechanisms. This includes not just firewalls and antivirus software, but also regular security audits powered by AI itself. Tools like Bolt.new can help you automate these checks, ensuring that your app is constantly monitored for potential threats. But here's the kicker. Even with the best tools, human oversight remains critical. An AI might detect a threat, but it needs a human to fully understand and respond to its context. Another key aspect is transparency in your AI models. You need to be able to explain how decisions are made. This doesn't mean just throwing in comments into code. Use clear documentation practices. This is crucial not only for security audits, but also for maintaining user trust. In today's world, where incidents like the rogue robot kung fu kicks can make headlines, transparency can be a lifesaver. Finally, stay vigilant and proactive about compliance. Whether it's GDPR, CCPA, or any other data protection regulation, ensure your app adheres to them. Miss one update, and you're not just at risk for fines. You could damage your reputation irreparably. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. Building secure AI apps isn't about making your product perfect. It's about being prepared for the inevitable. The moment a vulnerability is found, pivoting quickly to fix it can mean the difference between success and disaster. If you want to stay ahead of this, subscribe now to get these critical insights first. Stay informed, stay secure, and keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.